Going out into the snowstorm now. It's December the 14th. We're in the middle of a blizzard in Mississippi. Unbelievable. Every once in a while the wind will blow a huge amount of snow down off the tree. Hang on a second, Kathy's calling. Right in it. It's soaking my camera, which is probably not good. Cover it up. See Rippin', look at the squirrel. Hey Ripley, what you think about all this, huh? How about this snow? Huh? How you like it? That's your kind of weather here, isn't it? Piling up on the branches. Right up on the top of our fence too. It's the strangest looking thing. It's like icing on top of the fence. Let's get back in so my camera gets soaking wet.
Look at Daddy out there. He's making a big old snowman. There goes somebody riding by. Oh wow, here comes another one riding by. They're getting out in the snow. Look, he's gonna make a big snowman. Here comes some more people. Boy, these people can't stay inside. These people got to get out in it, even though they told us it was dangerous. They said stay inside if you don't have to get out. Everybody's got to go see what it looks like.
This little
Mm-hmm. Well, that's going to be a big one from Mississippi. Be a pretty big one.
And Daddy and Turtle Man.
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
I think so.
Mm-hmm.
And this is going to be the body.
body
Making it.
and his hands.
He's gonna go find some sticks for the arms. Boy, I wish you were well so we could go out there in it.
Oh,
I wish too.
wait. You wish too?
I wish too.
You wish too? I can see you. I can see Daddy.
Get him.
You made big tall.
Yeah, he's making it big and tall. He's packing it. That snow packs good, doesn't it? Bless you. You need me to wipe your nose? You okay? Here, let's pause in a minute and we'll fix you up, okay? Let me pause it.
What's that mean?